Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special Dollar Tree haul. This is going to be makeup, fun finds, my favorite finds. Let's get started. One of the first items I found today was the Assured brand Women's System Razor, and you get a handle and you get 3 blade cartridges, and I am excited to try this out. It says it's easy to grip handle, lubricated strip for soft shave, and it is triple blade. Well, I like this packaging on this razor. Next up, they had a bunch of new fall candles, and I love candles. This is just a mason jar 3-ounce candle, and I always say this, but these make great little gifts. Like, tie a little burlap bow on there, great basket and bag stuffers for $1.25. The scent I picked up today is Toasted Marshmallow Fluff, and it's a really nice, sweet, marshmallowy fall scent. It smells so good. Got a bunch of different scents. Also, I have tons of reviews on these like jar candles like this from Luminescence, other brands in the Dollar Tree as well. There will be a Dollar Tree review playlist in the cards and linked in the description box below. They also had these super cute Crystal Waters hand creams today, and there was like a panda, a unicorn. There was like 4 different ones to choose from. So they had like coconut, or it might have been vanilla, and strawberry, and something else. And this one was Peach Island. And this smells so good. You get 3.4 fluid ounces. I love hand creams. I love trying out new hand creams. It just smells so good. Cute little cat packaging. They all had cute little animals on their packaging. Today I also picked up another pair of the Ioni Lashes. These are their 3D faux mink lashes, and these are in the style and packaging of Sagittarius, and these are their wispy long spiky style lash. It's like awesome. I love these like spiky lashes like this. Are my favorite. So I picked those up. Also intriguing, fun, can't wait to test this product out soon, is the Beauty Guru Natural Eyelash Enhanced Serum with castor oil. It comes with a brush applicator, and you're supposed to apply this on your lashes, and it helps them grow. Just spoolie. And a little, it looks like a little oil container, and you just twist off and stick your spoolie in there. So I'm excited to try this out. And I found some new LaColors stuff today, and they finally had the LaColors Velvet Lip Mousse. And these are velvety matte texture lip products, and this one is in Rhapsody, and they had like this really beautiful burnt orange kind of shade, and I was really leaning towards that one, but I know I wouldn't wear that one very much, so I got a shade that I knew that I would wear with an everyday kind of look, and would wear it more than the orange one. This is a berry tone lip, which is perfect for going into fall. And another LaColors lip product I found today is the Matte Lips lipsticks. And these are supposed to be smooth, creamy, full cover. And this is in the shade Keeper. Once again, I picked a shade that I knew that I would wear, like an everyday kind of shade, so I can get the most use out of it. I'm excited to try this one. They had lots of different shades, at least 5 shades at my store, so pretty decent shade range for what they are. Matte lips, they're $1.25, everyday nude. And then last 2 items I picked up at the Dollar Tree are also from LaColors, and they are, my store has never got these in before, and I've seen lots of people haul them, but they're the glow in the dark polishes, not the polishes that you need the UV light for, but glow in the dark. So I picked up the purple one. They had, I would say, at least 10 or more of these to choose from. Lots of different shades, lots of neon colors, some darker shades. This is like a dusty lavender kind of shade. And this one is called Jinx. And these are going to be sheer, but you can use them as toppers or build them up. And then I also picked up the just regular one that you can top any of your polishes with, which is just a standard glow-in-the-dark nail polish. And this one is in Glowing. And like I said, you can put this one over any nail polish. So it's really pretty too. And I can already tell that it is going to glow. And I thought that purple was pretty unique to a glow-in-the-dark nail polish. So that's why I also picked that one up. I'm really excited for my LaColors finds today. I'm happy I was able to share them with you. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these. Stay tuned for a get ready with me or makeup tutorial using only DollarTree products that will be coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't already. And thank you guys so very much for watching.